elephants teabagging each other. We're in Talad Noi now, the chocolatory. What's up everyone? Brad here, how you doing?
Hi everyone.
We've come down to an old favourite, the Chatrium Riverside, for a couple of days. We're taking a little staycation just to break things up a bit while Lishi's over here. We found this place back in 2015. And every second trip we like to come back here and spend a few days, indulge in the monster buffet that they have, as well as amazing views of the river. Got its own ferry that will take you up to Sapan Taksin BTS station, and of course Satorn Pier. From there you can go to pretty much all points of interest in Bangkok, including but not limited to Icon Siam, Wat Road, and eventually up to Pratit, where you'll jump off to go to Bang Lampu and Khao San Road. We're going to explore SongWat Road, Talad Noi, because Lishi hasn't been there yet. So, you coming? Let's go. So we hopped off at Ratchawong Pier and now we're on SongWat Road. Let's see what all the fuss is about. What is that anyway?
It's a latte with lychee. Really good.
Hello, you filming me, I'm filming you.
Sawadee krap.
Sawadee krap. How are you doing?
Doing well, mate.
Yeah?
Doing well. I'm not sure if it's durian or dumplings. or durian dumplings. In we go. Siroi.
400 บาท ขอบคุณค่ะ
ขอบคุณมากครับ Yeah. Because this area of Bangkok's pretty famous for its street art. This particular spot is pretty famous for this piece of street art. Elephants teabagging each other. Never cheap. Alright.
Thank you.
ขอบคุณมากครับ Iced tea, chai tea, Thai tea, Icy-Poles. อร่อยมาก Here be dragons. We're in Talad Noi now. It's a cool little place. I recommend you come down and have a look. The chocolatey, yeah. Okay, so right next to the antique car, if you sneak in the little door of the really old looking building, you'll come into this little place called 32 Chocolate. What they've done is they've built a little, not a coffee shop, but chocolate shop inside this funky old building. Oh, this is good. Alright.
Alright.
Here you go. There you go. Of course, there's a bit of a crowd.
Our shop becomes a tourist from Germany that found it around here. And it was so sick, so we have to take it to the veterinary.
Here we go.
That's about like the Appalachian.
Here
7มันก็สามารถจบ
Oh yes, the young one. 7-Elevens in Thailand are like convenience stores on steroids. Dun dun dun. Dun 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 dun. Dun 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 dun. Stuff and things. Stuff and things. Yes, let's make another video about 7-Eleven toasties. Or not. Sadika.
สวัสดีค่ะ Thank you
Kakumaka. And a wave of heat just hits you in the face.
I would say the best thing.
We're going to take a break. We go hibernate back at our temporary but sumptuously appointed digs at the Chatrium Riverside. This is the famous ghost tower. It never got finished. It's been there almost 30 years. It's probably going to be there another 30 at least while companies can advertise their stuff with these massive 20-story advertising thingos. They're not billboards, I guess they're billboards. Advertising. So yeah, we're heading back. I'll try and make this into something worth watching. Say bye-bye, honey.
Bye-bye, honey. Like, subscribe, and comment.
And get a little joy in your life. We all need it. Catch you on the flip flop.